Welcome back to the Daily Dose, brought to you by Velocity Technologies. I'm Angelo, coming to you from our Tempe, Arizona office. We have a hot topic to cover today that some of you might have encountered recently. Joining me is my co-host, Nia, who is broadcasting from Tucson, Arizona. How are you doing today, Nia?
Hey, Angelo, I'm doing great. I'm excited to discuss today's topic. It's something that's been creating quite a buzz in the IT world lately. For those who are tuning in, we're diving into the potential issues with the January Windows updates and Citrix software.
That's right, Nia. Microsoft has issued a warning about potential failures in their January Windows updates if Citrix software is installed. This is an important issue for businesses and IT professionals to be aware of. So, let's kick things off by discussing why this is happening and what exactly is affected.
So, Angelo, let's start by outlining the conflict here. Microsoft recently released their January Windows updates, which are supposed to improve security and functionality. However, it turns out that these updates might not perform as expected if certain Citrix software is installed on your machine.
Right, Nia. Specifically, the Citrix software that's causing trouble is the Citrix virtual apps and desktops. Users are reporting that the updates may fail to install or that even if they do install, the systems don't boot correctly afterward. This is a significant concern for enterprises relying on these applications for remote work solutions.
Exactly. And this isn't just a minor inconvenience. Imagine managing a company's IT infrastructure only to realize after an update that your virtual desktops are failing to launch. It could potentially halt productivity across entire departments.
The impact on businesses can be severe. Companies heavily dependent on Citrix for their virtual environments might experience downtime. For many, the immediate reaction is to roll back the update, but that also means they miss out on crucial security patches.
And that's a tricky situation. On one hand, you need the update for better security. On the other, you can't have everything breaking down because of the incompatibility. IT departments are really caught between a rock and a hard place with this one.
Absolutely, Nia. This situation forces IT teams to weigh the risks of vulnerabilities against operational stability. Let's move on to what users and IT departments can do to mitigate these issues.
Angelo, the first step in mitigating this issue is diagnosis. Organizations need to identify if they have the Citrix software versions that are known to conflict with the updates. This involves checking the version numbers and consulting Citrix support if needed.
That's step one, for sure. Once you know you're potentially affected, you need a strategy. One approach is to delay the Windows update until Citrix releases a fix or Microsoft issues a patch that addresses the conflict.
That's pragmatic. Another strategy is to create a backup before installing the update. It's something that should be standard practice anyway, but in cases like these, it's especially important to have a restore point.
Precisely. And for companies that have already been affected, rolling back updates temporarily while awaiting a stable fix could be the best course of action. Let's talk about how communication plays into managing this situation.
Communication is key here. IT teams should communicate clearly with their users about the potential risks and the steps they are taking to resolve the issue. This keeps everyone informed and can minimize frustration.
Agreed. It's also crucial for IT teams to communicate directly with Citrix and Microsoft. Keeping the lines open for updates on patches or fixes can provide some much-needed clarity and direction.
And let's not forget the importance of internal communication within the IT department. Sharing information about any workarounds or successful strategies can help avoid duplicated efforts and streamline the resolution process.
Moving forward, what should users watch for in upcoming updates and patches? Well, both Citrix and Microsoft are likely working on solutions. Users should keep an eye on official communications from both companies.
Definitely, Angelo. Subscribers to those updates will be notified as soon as patches or new updates are released. It's also wise to keep in touch with industry forums and discussion boards for any unofficial advice or shared experiences from others facing similar issues.
Also, looking ahead, businesses might consider additional precautions. This includes more rigorous testing of updates in controlled environments before deploying them company-widely.
Yes, that way, issues can be detected early on in a non critical environment, allowing IT teams to devise solutions without disrupting business operations. So, Angelo, as we close this technical discussion, what's the bottom line for listeners today?
Well, the main takeaway here is vigilance. With these types of conflicts, being proactive and prepared is crucial. Monitor updates, communicate effectively, and always have backup plans in place. It's essential to stay informed and ready to adapt to whatever new updates may bring.
That's solid advice, Angelo. And speaking of staying informed, we at Velocity Technologies are committed to helping businesses navigate these challenges with ease and expertise.
And for those of you who need assistance beyond today's discussion, remember that Velocity Technologies is here to help. Whether you require managed services or cybersecurity solutions, our team of experts is dedicated to providing the support your business needs.
Absolutely. We specialize in crafting IT solutions that are tailored to fit your unique business requirements, helping you maintain productivity and security even in the face of challenges like these.
To learn more about what we can offer, visit our website at www.veministech.org. You'll find a comprehensive range of services designed to keep your business running smoothly.
That's it for today's episode of The Daily Dose. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back with more insights and solutions to keep you ahead in the tech world. Stay safe and stay updated.
Until next time, this is Angelo and Nia signing off. Have a great day.